Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when a cube plus b cube is equals to c power 4 and where a, b, c belongs to positive integer and a not equals to b and b not equals to c. So let's start with today's video and find out the values and check whether they are equal or not. So a cube plus b cube is equals to c power 4. I can write it as c cube times c. So I'm assuming, so let c cube in place of c cube, I can write p cube plus q cube, where p and q both belongs to positive integer and greater than 1. And p not equals to q. And in place of a, I'm assuming pc. And in place of b, I'm taking qc. So let's replace all the values. So a cube means pc whole cube plus b cube is qc whole cube is equals to c cube. And in place of c, here I'm assuming in place of c, I can write p cube plus q cube. So if I'll multiply, I can write p cube c cube plus q cube c cube is equals to c cube p cube plus q cube. From the left hand side, I can take c cube as common. So p cube plus q cube is equals to c cube p cube plus q cube. So as we can see, our LHS left hand side is equals to right hand side. So as we assume c as p cube plus q cube, a is pc and b is qc. So if I assume some values and check whether they are equal or not, so I'm taking p as 1 and q as 2. So the value of c will be, so I'm taking c is equals to p cube plus q cube. So the value of c will be 1 cube plus 2 cube. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. So the value of c will be 9. Now, from this, I can find the value of a. So a is equals to pc and p I'm taking 1. And the value of c is 9. So 1 times 9 is 9. So value of a is 9. Similarly, b is qc. So q I've taken already 2 and c is 9, that is 18. So according to the equation, whether they are equal or not, our equation was a cube plus b cube is equals to c power 4. A cube is 9 cube plus b cube is 18 cube is equals to 9 power 4. So 9 cube is 729 and 18 cube is 5832. When we add, we get 6561. Similarly, 9 power 4 is 6561. So this equation satisfied because our LHS is equals to RHS. So that's how you can find the solution of this type of problem. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.